This could be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include auto-dimming mirrors, an alarm system, keyless entry, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find internet connectivity, heated steering wheel, leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a DVD system. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.